Khan's third wedding was always going to make headlines. But once the first pictures were out, another detail quietly stole the spotlight. Not Aamir's ivory dhoti kurta, not Gauri Spratt's pastel bridal look, but the stunning ruby ring on her finger. Because this wasn't just another celebrity wedding ring, it came with a story of rare gemstones, months of searching, and craftsmanship fit for royalty. Aamir Khan and Gauri Spratt tied the knot in an intimate ceremony at the actor's Bandra residence on July 5. The wedding was attended by their children, close family members, and a small circle of friends. The couple coordinated their traditional outfits for the occasion. While Aamir chose an elegant ivory dhoti kurta, Gauri wore a pastel-toned lehenga paired with layered necklaces and fresh flowers tucked in her hair. But almost immediately, fans noticed the bespoke ruby ring on her finger. And that's where the story gets interesting. The ring was custom designed by luxury jewelry house Queen. At its center sits an ultra-rare natural cabochon-cut ruby sourced from Madagascar. According to the brand, finding the perfect gemstone alone took more than 3 months. The ruby has been described as rarer than 1 in a million, making it one of the most unusual choices for a celebrity wedding ring. But it wasn't just the gemstone that made headlines. The making of the ring reportedly involved more than 256 hours of craftsmanship, with 13 pairs of skilled artisans contributing to its creation. From developing the design to setting the ruby and completing the intricate finishing work, every stage was done by hand. According to the jeweler, the vision from the very beginning wasn't to create a conventional wedding band, but a couture heirloom, one that could be passed down through generations. The design itself also breaks away from tradition. Instead of resting on a plain gold band, the ruby sits inside a crown-inspired setting. Its smooth cabochon cut gives the gemstone a rich, almost glowing appearance. Surrounding it is detailed mill-grain work, a technique often associated with vintage heirloom jewelry and royal ornaments. The result? A wedding ring designed to look less like a modern accessory and more like a piece of royal jewelry. From an ultra-rare Madagascar ruby to months spent sourcing the perfect stone, hundreds of hours of craftsmanship, and a design inspired by royalty, Gauri Spratt's wedding ring has become one of the biggest talking points from Aamir Khan's wedding. Because sometimes the most unforgettable part of a celebrity wedding isn't the ceremony itself, it's the story hidden in the smallest details. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.